years ago, we had a Magen Eco Energy solar pool heating system installed. It has been working perfectly since. Saves electricity and keeps the water warm. I set the required temperature and it retains it. We chose this solar system because of the significant energy savings. We have sunshine nearly 8 months a year, and that translates to substantial annual savings. The system is extremely reliable. No failures. Everything is remote controlled. If I need something, even the smallest, it's taken care of quickly. Excellent system. Huge savings. Doesn't require any maintenance nor any care, and significantly reduces the energy expenses.